Concerned stakeholders in the agricultural sector have stressed the need to harness resources to address the recent outbreak of the tomato disease, Tuta Absoluta, to smallholder farmers. The president of Nigeria Agribusiness Group, Emmanuel Ijewere, made this known on Tuesday while addressing journalists at a joint press conference in Abuja. Ijewere explained that the effect of climatic change, which enhanced the unprecedented invasion of the disease, could lead to the national disruption of the supply of tomatoes across the country if not properly managed. He therefore emphasized the need to ensure proper sensitization to help farmers address and reduce the negative consequences that will be felt across the value chain from farmer to consumer. The executive director of the National Horticultural Research Institute, Lawal Atonda, who was represented by the head of the Biopesticide Center, Abiola Oladigbolu, while calling for collaboration from stakeholders, revealed measures taken by NIHOT to provide environmentally friendly biopesticides to farmers and also technological know-how to manage the disease outbreak. Earlier, the Director Elder of Horticulture, Federal Minister of Agriculture and Rural Development, Deola Lodbanju, reaffirmed the commitment of the ministry to collaborate with key stakeholders to provide solutions to resolve issues and constraints facing tomato farmers.
And we're here today to address the issue of Tuta Absoluta, which is an insect that has devastated tomato farms in a number of states of the Federation, and to see how we can deal with it, because our farmers are already poor. This insect can only make them poorer, and our duty is to ameliorate these kind of challenges they have. But the climate change has changed that, and it has come a lot earlier than we expected, and it caught us unexpectedly. And unfortunately, we had not gotten all those things in place. And we have learned from it. Our discussion today is how to make sure that whatever it is we do will be sustainable into the future.
Absoluta menace, the invasion, and we have a lot of products, a lot of technologies that the Institute has developed, and they are very effective for the control of this pest. One of them is the Tuta trap tree that has been tested and found very efficacious in the management and control of the adult Tuta Absoluta, while the NIHOT Liptol and NIHOT Ractin have been found very efficacious too in the control of the eggs and larva stages of this insect. And we are both to say that NIHOT has been the forefront. You have been hearing that people have been talking about NIHOT. Yes, we've done a lot about it. Presently, when the invasion of this particular insect came out again, we have been able to produce a lot, close to 4,000 liters of biopesticide, and they are available for farmers to purchase. So we have done it tremendously in the aspect of managing this particular insect pest.
The ministry secured a technical cooperation project with an approval from Food and Agricultural Organization, FAO, in 2016, up to the tune of $421 for the purpose of controlling Tuta Absoluta. Part of these funds were used to train about 200 farmers in about 4 states, namely Katsina, Kano, Kaduna, and Plateau, where the incidence of Tuta Absoluta was more pronounced. And of course, after this training program, inputs, seeds, chemicals, were distributed to the farmers to ameliorate the problems encountered as a result of the Tuta Absoluta within that period. The farmers involved were also trained on the developed protocol for the management of Tuta infestation.